2015 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, navigation system, heated seats, OnStar, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.